Alright then guys, welcome back to part number 3 of the Ford Fiesta strip down. I'm really enjoying it so far. I know I haven't got much footage. Been waiting, I've been trying to sort out a tripod as such, but I've managed to find something until it comes through, so I should be able to get some footage of me stripping down the interior today. I've done a little bit which I showed you in part 2. Took the speedo off, I've took the gear knob off. I've unplugged one of the cables on the ABS module. Is it the ABS? Resistant control module? I'm guessing that's the ABS module. Anyway, yeah, so I was going to try to do a little bit off camera, just because I've never done it before, and just see if I'm any good, sort of thing. But I thought, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys, you know, whether it's hard or not, you know, for a first time person. If you've been watching this and you want to learn to do it, then we can learn together. So let's hope for the best and see how far we get today. So I'm just going to try prop this up in a decent position. Hopefully you guys can see it, and yeah, we'll work together. Right, let's see. Shut this door because it's bloody cold. Yeah. so I've literally just got the airbag off, and it's literally took me like 45 minutes. I had to try search up to see how I got it off. I was doing it for ages the exact way. Well, I think there's like 2 little holes you have to put a small like screwdriver in, and I think the springs or whatever were out of line, and I was trying to push it in and it was actually going absolutely nowhere, and then it got stuck, and then eventually I popped one side out and then one side went back in, so it was like an ongoing circle. But I just turned the camera around, but I finally got it out. Yeah, so look, that's the steering wheel. They're the 2 holes there where it comes out of. So there's like 2 springs there. One spring there, sorry, one spring there. And then this is the airbag. Got the airbag out. There we go, that's the kitty. So then you got this little yellow piece here clips into there. And then there was like a little bit screwed in there. This bit here, I don't know, that must just be some sort of little wire thing. I thought it was just one thing, but hey, you learn something new every day. So yeah, that's the airbag off. Let's continue stripping the interior. Alright then guys, so I've managed to get the dash off. It took me like 2 hours. It was a bit of a nightmare, but to be honest, at least I know now for next time, for the next car, you know, where to look, sort of thing, for the bolts and whatnot. I did do a bit of research, and I managed to finally get through. Got Katie out here to help me a little bit as well. But yeah, I'll just turn the camera around, and I got the dash off. So look, that's the dash off. Oh, yeah, and I got the steering wheel off. All the dash and the passenger airbag there. Yeah, so I got done pretty well so far. And I also got the seat off. I had to go out and I bought this from Argos, and it wasn't the right size. It was T40, was the biggest size of the torque screws. So then I had to go out and get this one, which is pretty good. I think it's about £20 from Tool Station, and it's got loads of different torque screws and stuff, so that's decent. And it was size 55 that I needed. I believe it, or was it 55? Oh no, they fell out, so that's in the wrong place. I believe it was size 50. No, 50's in the wrong place. So it's 45. So if you've got a Ford Fiesta Mark 6, it's more than likely going to be size 45. So that's all the bits I got off there. All the little trims, whatnot. I've got the rest of the seats to get out. The seat belts, I took some of the lining off here. I'm going to get the carpet out as well. Got a bit more room now to move to get the ABS module out. Or resistant constraint module, whatever it is, control module. But yeah, so I don't know what this bar actually is, but it's got some bolts there. I'm gonna get it out and just see. And then you've got the plastic, like, I think they're the air vents. It looks like it's the air vents down there. And you got the wire and loom. Probably not going to do anything with that because some of them did actually break when I took it out. I've disconnected some of these here. They weren't hard, they just pop off. They're like on little nipple things there, so they just pop off. That's just your gear changes. The handbrake I've got to go off, but yeah, so I'm going to crack on and I'll update you guys soon. So yeah, see you soon. Alright guys, so I've done enough today. It's starting to rain, it's getting cold. I've done quite a lot. I should just show you the inside of the car now. So I've managed to get all that off. It's the roof. It was a bit damp though, as you can probably tell from that. And I'll go around the other side now. And yeah, I've took pictures of everything. The seat I've just put like that. Don't want to rip the fabric or scratch the panels. But yeah. Oh. So that's that. We actually sold the headlights and the centre console with the air, like, climate controls. So that's decent. But yeah, thanks for watching this episode guys, and I'll see you in the next one.